Hey guys, it's DV Cakester, and welcome to episode 4 of Pokemon Emerald. Let's get back into this beast, and let me get rid of that. Okay, we're still stuck. What is this? Oh, you don't need to see that. This, this is all the players, our chat. You saw it first here, folks. This is our chat. Oh, it's gone. Haha. I. Oh, we're still stuck on the beach? What the heck? Oh yeah, we were gonna go beat the trainers. That's right. I remember. It's been a couple days. Alright, everyone's fully up there. Yeah, I kind of want Combuskin to be first. Then Swallow. Alright. Let's go. Fast forward. Freaking what? Oh, come on. Alright, fought you guys. Alright, there's more trainers over here. I already fought this girl on accident. Sorry. Alright, this is a twin battle, it looks like, so let's do it! La 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 la. Bum, ba, 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 ba. Let's go. Ew. What will he do? He will headbutt. No, you will metal claw that guy. You will ember that guy. Rip the dream. Terrible. Combuskin, I want you to peck. Okay, just keep doing what you're doing. Oh god. Oh god. Come on, kill. Yeah! Stop these girls wanting to give me their number. It's ridiculous. Oh no, not. Oh, my Aaron's a girl. I did not know that. Get ready to perish. Rip. Rip. Oh, come on. Rip. Rip. Yay. Oh, we're doing great. Getting lots of money. Stop giving me your number. God. What the? I bet you I can make it. Yeah. Oh. What? You're gonna fight me with Magikarps? Knew it. I can fight you with Tackle and still beat you. Oh, you're kidding. Oh, huh. Oh god, I might be in some trouble here. Let's see, Metal Claw. Oh, okay, yeah, we'll keep doing this. No! No! Yes. Rip. Oh, how many Pokemon do you have? Go back to Tackle. Whoa! How does Magikarp no Tackle? Whoa! That should not be a thing. Oh, it's level 15. That's probably why. Yay, finally. Are you a thing? No. How do I get that? Oh, there's a back way. Move. People, please. Please. Please move. I don't have cut. Oh, yeah. Please, lady. Lady, like, oh. 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 Electrike. Let's see what tackle does. Yeah, we'll keep using it. Why not? Oh, please. Ha! You can't really hurt me. Oh, yes. Stupid electric Pokemon. Dire hit. What shall that be, huh? Dire hit. Raises just for one battle. Oh, come on. I was behind you. Pokemon logic. Oh, no. Okay, you're a boy, I'm a girl. We can work things out. Ow! No, not fair. You wanna do that game? You're dead. You're dead. No! No! Your foe's weak. Oh, you're kidding me. Rip. Oh. I got this. I got this. Keep using Scratch. Keep using Harden. I'll kill you eventually. Yes! Whoa! Yeah, what's a stone? An attack that may shock the foe into flinching. What's later? Are we done? No. We're level 13, that's a level 13. Perfect. Let's use a stone. Yo! Oh, come on. Alright, let's get out of here. Oh. No, come Buskin, don't do anything. Lady, please. Oh. Let's heal our Pokemon real quick. Dun, 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 dun. Why did I stop running? Swear to God, lady. Yeah. Oh, oh. What? I wasn't even in front of you. Fine, I'll fight. I'll still beat you. Oh god, level 18. I'm gonna be so butthurt about this. That's not fair. Oh god, that didn't do crap. Okay, headbutt. Stop, please. Metal Claw? Damn, I think Headbutt did the most. Oh, stop. Whoa, he evolved too. Water. Mud? Oh, rip the dream. Time to bring out the big boys. Swallow, use Steel Wing. Crap. Use Wing Attack. Double Team. Stop wasting time and just kill him. Yeah, that's right. No. Oh, no, fire. Crap, I'm gonna get burned. I'm gonna get burned. And I'm almost dead. Critical. Darn. Oh, this is gonna poison me. Dang. Combuskin, your last hope. I don't want to lose to May. You want to be that way? I'll be that way too. Rip. Bring out your... Oh, perfect. No. You're a plant. Burn! That felt good. That's alright. Yeah. Item finder. Try it out. Unless not visible, emit a sound. Yo, you have a bite. Give it to me. Oh. Honestly, go away. Oh, I fell right into... Oh, God. Only Combuskin's good. I don't even care. Just hold down A. We'll win. Oh, come on. Oh, rip. Great job, Makuhita. Good boy. My boys are strong. Voltorb! We are definitely getting a Voltorb. That's gonna be one of our top 6 right there. When we fight the Champion 4 or whatever, definitely going to be Voltorb. No, stop giving me numbers. I don't care. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, this is ridiculous. Uh-oh, he has an aggro. Whoa. Whoa. Yo, this is some, like... Whoa. Well, let's fake out. At first, your first strike move that causes flinching. Let's take away focus energy then. Go. Rip! Oh, man. That's why I love fire Pokemon. Sword God, okay. Elixir. What's up here? Really, that one patch of grass? Get out of my way, please. Oh God. I swear to God, if you make me sleep. Nope, I'm gone. Rip. Oh, I'm someplace new. Is there a Pokemon Center? I swear to God, if you're training. Pokemon Center. Pokemon Center. Yay. Okay, we'll end the episode here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe for more. Definitely gonna be posting a lot more videos for the next couple of days. It's a 3-day weekend for me. Some vlogs should be coming up, some more gaming videos, all that stuff. So yeah. You know what? Until then, until the next videos come out, I'll see you boys and girls in the next video. Bye-bye!